Hello dear students of English version KG class. Today I will take your math class. So many days we meet again. Today's according to the syllabus you know that odd number and even number you have in your syllabus. Okay dear students. So today my topics is odd and even number. In your syllabus you have 31 to 70. But today I will discuss with you 31 to 50. 31 to 50 only. And then in next class I will discuss with you 51 to 70 and then I will give to you the questions. That is how odd and even number will come in your exam. Okay dear student. So let's start the class. 1 to 50. Look on the board please. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Okay dear students. Now, how you will understand that is which one is odd and which one is even number. To make clear, I have written over here how you will make understand that which number is odd and which one is even. If you will see the last digit means in rules it's called ones place. That is last digit. See, this is the last digit. That is ones place. In a place value, it is ones place. Seeing students? It's clear no? This is the last digit. If the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Again I am saying dear students, if the last digit, that means ones place, if 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, then that all number will be the odd number. Clear students? And if again the last digit, that is last number, or in ones place, if the number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 also. Again I am saying if the last digit or ones place or whatever, it's easy to understand for you, the last number, this number, if the number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, that number will be the even number. Okay dear student. So now make a list of odd number and even number. So I am writing over here. That is 31. Look dear student. 31. The last number, that is last digit is 1. That is this is the odd number. This place will be in odd numbers. Then 32. This is 2. Is the even number. The last digit is 2. That is 32 is the even number. Clear? By this way, one last digit is 3. That is 34 over here, 35 over here, 36 over here, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and finally 50. Look dear students, each and every number of odd number, their last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Whatever I showed to you just now. And the all even number last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. See dear students. So I hope these all are make easy for you and you may clear very well. Okay, dear students, this all number you will practice at home more and more time. And next, my next topic is addition. Some additions today we will do, and we will learn today how to do additions. Okay, dear student. So now let's do the additions. Okay, dear students, next topic is simple additions. In your syllabus, there you have simple addition 2 digit. That's why today's our topic is 2 digit simple additions. I have given to you some that means 3 maths you have given 3. So let's start to do the additions. That is, here is ones place. In ones place there is 1 and here also 1. So 1 add with 1. That is, put one line 1 and 1. That is, it becomes what? 2. Understand, dear students? And then tens place to tens place. 3 and 2. That is 1, 2, 3 line, and here is 2. 1, 2. Finally, how many line over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, answer will be 5. Clear, students? Okay, now come to the next one. That is, ones place is 2 and ones place is 1. That is 2 plus 1. Let's put the line 1, 2, and over here 1. That is, put one, only one line, and finally it becomes 1, 2, 3. That is, the ones place will be the 3. And next, tens place with tens place. That is, over here 2, 1, 2, over here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful. Carefully you will put the line. Then count from the beginning. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is, finally we got the answer 7. That is, 2 plus 5 become 7. Okay, dear students, now come to the next one. That is, over here in ones place 6 and in ones place 2. That is, at first put 6 line, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2. 1, 2. So now count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is, 6 plus 2 becomes 8. Clear, dear students? And then tens place to tens place. That is 3. Put 3 line and then 5. Put 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count from the beginning. That is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, finally 3 plus. Hope all of you are very clear how to do the simple additions of 2 digit maths. Okay, dear students. Now I will give to you some homework for you, and you will do that homework and practice that all maths more and more at time. And now, so let's give to you some homework to do at home. Okay, dear students. So let's give the homework. That is, one is 55, 23 plus. Okay. Number 2, 62, 34. Okay, dear student. Number 3, 49, 30. Good. Do this all. And next also number 4 is what? 39, 20. Okay. Number 5, 77, 21. Okay, dear students. Number 6, 62, 14. Add with 14. And then numbers, okay, up to 6. Today only 6 maths I have given to you to do as a homework. Okay, dear students, do this all homework and we practice more and more. That is, today's we did what? At first we did odd and even number, and then we did some simple additions. All of you will practice that odd and even number and simple addition at home, and please do this homework. Okay, dear students, and stay at home, be safe. See you again very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.